Hello and welcome back to the channel English Learner. Today we are going to do 50 important questions on Shakespeare and his works. So let's begin with the questions. In which year was William Shakespeare born? 1558, 1564, 1572 or 1580? The answer is 1564. Where was William Shakespeare born? London, Stratford-upon-Avon, Oxford or Cambridge? The answer is Stratford-upon-Avon. Who compiled the first folio of Shakespeare's play? Ben Jonson and Marlowe, Hemming and Condell, Dryden and Pope, or Sidney and Spencer? The answer is Hemming and Condell. How many sonnets did Shakespeare write? 126, 152, 154, or 160? The answer is 154. In which year did Shakespeare die? 1610, 1613, 1616, or 1625? The answer is 1660. Where is Shakespeare buried? Westminster Abbey, St. Paul's Cathedral, Holy Trinity Church, Stratford, or Canterbury Cathedral? The answer is Holy Trinity Church, Stratford. Which play is considered Shakespeare's first tragedy? Hamlet, Romeo and Juliet, Titus Andronicus, or Macbeth? The answer is Titus Andronicus. What is the tragic flaw of Macbeth? Jealousy, ambition, pride, or cowardice? The answer is ambition. Who appears as a ghost in Hamlet? Polonius, King Hamlet, Laertes, or Horatio? The answer is King Hamlet. In which play does the character Iago appear? Hamlet, Othello, Macbeth, or King Lear? The answer is Othello. Who is the tragic hero of King Lear? Gloucester, Kent, Lear, or Edgar? The answer is Lear. In which play does the line "Aid to Brute" appear? Hamlet, Macbeth, Julius Caesar, or Coriolanus? The answer is Julius Caesar. Who kills Duncan in Macbeth? Banquo, Lady Macbeth, Macbeth, or Macduff? The answer is Macbeth. What is the name of Othello's wife? Bianca, Emilia, Desdemona, or Portia? The answer is Desdemona. Who is Cordelia's father? Macbeth, Lear, Claudius, or Duncan? The answer is Lear. Which device is used in Hamlet when he speaks to be or not to be? Aside, chorus, soliloquy, or prologue? The answer is soliloquy. In which city is Romeo and Juliet set? Milan, Venice, Verona, or Florence? The answer is Verona. Who is Shylock's daughter in The Merchant of Venice? Portia, Nerissa, Jessica, or Graciana? The answer is Jessica. Which comedy features the character Rosalind? Twelfth Night, As You Like It, Much Ado About Nothing, or The Tempest? The answer is As You Like It. Who disguises herself as Cesario in Twelfth Night? Olivia, Viola, Maria, or Portia? The answer is Viola. In which play does Puck appear? The Tempest, A Midsummer Night's Dream, Cymbeline, Love's Labour's Lost? The answer is A Midsummer Night's Dream. Which tragedy is based on Scottish history? Hamlet, Macbeth, Lear, or Othello? The answer is Macbeth. What is the setting of The Tempest? A forest, a castle, an island, or a court? The answer is an island. Who is the Duke of Milan in The Tempest? Ferdinand, Antonio, Prospero, or Alonso? The answer is Prospero. Which play is categorized as a problem play? Hamlet, Measure for Measure, Macbeth, or King Lear? The answer is Measure for Measure. Who is the fat knight in Henry IV? Hotspur, Falstaff, Prince Hal, or Gloucester? The answer is Falstaff. Which history play presents the Tudor myth? Richard II, Richard III, King John, or Henry VIII? The answer is Richard III. Who is the villain in Othello? Cassio, Iago, Rodrigo, or Brabantio? The answer is Iago. What is the name of Hamlet's mother? Ophelia, Gertrude, Emilia, or Cordelia? The answer is Gertrude. Which Shakespearean play ends with multiple marriages? Hamlet, Othello, As You Like It, or Macbeth? The answer is As You Like It. What type of verse is predominantly used in Shakespeare's play? Free verse, blank verse, heroic couplet, or ballad meter? The answer is blank verse. What is the meter of Shakespearean blank verse? Trochaic tetrameter, iambic pentameter, dactylic hexameter, or anapestic trimeter? The answer is iambic pentameter. Which sonnet begins with Shall I compare thee to summer's day? Sonnet 18, Sonnet 29, Sonnet 73, or Sonnet 116? The answer is Sonnet 18. What is the rhyme scheme of a Shakespearean sonnet? ABBA, ABBA, CDE, CDE, ABAB, CDCD, EFEF, GG, AA, BB, CCDD, EEFF, GG, ABA, BCB, CDC, or DED? The answer is ABAB, CDCD, EFEF, GG. To whom are sonnets 1 to 126 generally addressed? Dark Lady, Fair Youth, Queen Elizabeth, or Anne Hathaway? The answer is Fair Youth. Which sonnet begins with "Let me not to the marriage of true minds"? Sonnet 18, 73, 116, or 130? The answer is 116. Which sonnet mocks conventional Petrarchan comparisons? Sonnet 18, 29, 73, or 130? The answer is Sonnet 130. What is the central theme of Sonnet 55? Betrayal, immortality through verse, jealousy, or political power? The answer is immortality through verse. In which play does the character Caliban appear? Cymbeline, Pericles, The Tempest, or Titus Andronicus? The answer is The Tempest. Which play contains the line "All the world's a stage"? Hamlet, As You Like It, Macbeth, or Twelfth Night? The answer is As You Like It. What genre is The Winter's Tale? History, tragedy, romance, or farce? The answer is romance. Who kills Macbeth? Malcolm, Banquo, Macduff, or Duncan? The answer is Macduff. Who is Hamlet's loyal friend? Laertes, Polonius, Horatio, or Rosencrantz? The answer is Horatio. What causes Othello's jealousy? A letter, a prophecy, a handkerchief, or a dream? The answer is a handkerchief. Which play features the characters Rosencrantz and Guildenstern? Macbeth, Hamlet, Lear, or Othello? The answer is Hamlet. Who is the ruler of Britain in King Lear? Cornwall, Albany, Lear, or Edgar? The answer is Lear. What is the relationship between Sebastian and Viola? Cousins, twins, lovers, or enemies? The answer is twins. Who is a fairy queen in A Midsummer Night's Dream? Puck, Oberon, Theseus, or Lysander? The answer is Oberon. Which play includes the character Touchstone? As You Like It, Twelfth Night, Cymbeline, or Pericles? The answer is As You Like It. What is the name of Shylock's servant who leaves him? Gratiano, Bassanio, Launcelot Gobbo, or Lorenzo? The answer is Launcelot Gobbo. Which tragedy is based on Scottish history? Hamlet, Macbeth, Lear, or Othello? The answer is Macbeth. Who becomes the King of Scotland at the end of Macbeth? Banquo, Malcolm, Macduff, or Rose? The answer is Malcolm. Which play centers on political conspiracy in Rome? Coriolanus, Julius Caesar, Antony and Cleopatra, or Titus Andronicus? The answer is Julius Caesar. Who is Antony's lover in Antony and Cleopatra? Portia, Cleopatra, Octavia, or Desdemona? The answer is Cleopatra. What is the central theme of Romeo and Juliet? Revenge, political ambition, star-crossed love, or betrayal? The answer is star-crossed love. So this was all about the questions on Shakespeare and his work. If you have liked the content and video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel, and share it with your friends. If you need any content for KVS and NVS upcoming exam, you can pin down the comment.